Hey guys and goddesses, Whitney here, and welcome back to my channel. This is Moments with Whit, and I'm Whit, and today I have a special guest that's going to introduce herself.
I'm Ella Rene. Hi guys.
AKA my sister. Today we are going to do the sister tag. I did get to know me tag, and I was like, why not bring my sister on here and do a tag video? We haven't looked at the questions yet, so if you are interested in hearing a little bit more about us and laughing at us, because I'm pretty sure this is going to be a semi-fail, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell down below to see my latest uploads. Let's get started. First question. Whatever. You'll see how it works. Who is the oldest / youngest?
I am, of course.
Wait, didn't say the age.
No.
She's the oldest. Yes, she's the
Yes.
oldest by 5 years. I'm the
Like
youngest.
5
I'm not the youngest sister in the bunch, but I am younger than her. Exactly.
You're youngest. What is something you like to do together?
We like to listen to music.
Yeah.
We like to dance.
What do you and your siblings have in common?
Oh my god.
Singing.
No.
She don't want to sing.
No. I'm kidding. I don't know which video is gonna go up first, but we were planning on doing a harmonizing video. This might go first or that might go first. We'll figure it out. But also, if you hear a ton of racket in the back, I do have a
That's what I was asking you. What is that?
we have a niece and nephew. They're loud. That's all. Alright, next question. Ooh, describe each other in 3 words. Go
I
first.
saw that one. Oh man, I was trying to avoid that one. In 3 words.
Me.
Annoying. She's creative. Look, you see, there's the annoying part of her that I can't stand. The 3rd one, beautiful, of course.
Like her. Okay, 3 words. I would say talented, crazy, funny. She's funny. A lot of people don't know that because she don't really like people, and that's the crazy side.
It's not that I don't like people.
I mean, she like people, but like, you know.
I'm like semi-antisocial.
Yeah, but like that's why it's so funny. When you get to know her, she be cracking the jokes, man. Be making like.
No, it's not.
You be taking that long to pick the question.
Oh, who cares?
Next question. Who takes longer to get ready?
You.
No.
Yes, you do.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
You take much longer to get ready.
She takes longer.
That's a damn lie. What's my favorite brand of makeup, and then I'll say what your favorite brand of makeup is, or like a specific thing that we both got. Her favorite brand or item that she likes is Becca. That Becca.
I like it, but now it's like,
Yeah.
But I like Becca, and the one that I really like is what's that one called? Lancome.
Oh yeah, you did like that.
That was like a few years ago.
Okay, what's my favorite?
I would say you like the Fenty.
I do like a Fenty. I do have that highlight one right now.
What's the weird habit of yours?
Well, I have to say a weird habit of yours, and then you have to say
No,
a weird
I'm
habit
thinking
of mine.
that's what I'm looking at you like.
Something that's like annoying. As I put my feet on the bed like that.
Oh, the post that I sent you.
What is it?
So she does this thing, right? Where she's annoyed and she's angry, but she doesn't tell you that she's annoyed and she's angry. She just pretends. And then she does this. No, I'm fine. I'm good.
I'm a Cancer. I simply don't want people to bother or fret over things that I can resolve.
Meanwhile, she's doing it in her head.
What's your bad habit? Oh my god. She downplays herself so.
No, I do not. Okay,
much.
the video.
I'm sorry, you hear me still going right. So much. First of all, she's so talented and such a great being. And then you're like, oh my god, you're so talented. She's just like, alright.
Yeah.
Can't you see her doing that?
No.
Who is the most talented?
No. She writes poetry, sings. She's able to do this blog thing that I cannot do, and she's able to talk to people like, you know, like I can't.
But she could sing though, like sang, like
she could sing.
Like a Nina Simone sang, like a Give Me a Anita Baker sang. Okay. We'll read some more.
Of course you do. I ain't got no time for that. I'm trying, but I ain't got no time for that.
If you guys could like see this corner, I'm building a mini library in there, so it's gonna be cute. What is your sister really bad at?
Talking to people, I know that. But you,
I'm supposed to say.
I know. What are your bad?
What am I really bad? You could do it now and I can't.
I could do it now?
Yeah.
What?
You did today.
Oh, drive? Oh God, I don't know. I've never seen you drive.
I'm not a good driver. I can drive. I'm really bad at like turning and signaling and parking. I can drive though. Yeah, I'm not very good at that. She is bad at meeting new people.
No.
Not meeting new people. Not meeting new people.
That is not true.
Not meeting new people. Introducing herself to new people. Like to meet the person is fine. And to say hi, my name is Ella. She's gonna just be like, and then it's like straight. But she's like, once you get to know her.
I don't know why she's still talking.
Right.
We're going to the next question. But she's bashing me right now. Okay. So I like this one. Complete the statement. My sibling is my sister. Lick, 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 lick. My sister is my best friend. Look at her face. I was waiting. You're so annoying.
I love her. I love you.
Don't start.
Okay.
I only felt one.
I will. Okay.
I'm not gonna go in because she's gonna start crying.
I will cry. My sister is strong and very.
We're still done?
Yeah, I'm not done. It's a whole statement. And very resilient. That's all.
Are you close?
Do you want to answer?
We're close. But but it's not as it was before. It's getting there. You know,
we were like conjoined like this for like so long, but now we're getting older and things change, but now we're getting back into the swing of things. Okay, she will not make it seem like we're not friends, because like that's right, that's my best friend, that's my best friend. You better. Okay, we'll stop.
What's your funniest memory?
Oh yeah, okay.
Man, it was probably like 8, 9 or something, so it was like very cold.
Don't do this. Don't do this to me. Not today, say it.
It was like cold, and then my older sister was like, you know, when? Don't put your hands in your pocket while you walk.
Well, we need to preface that when I was younger, I was very knock-kneed and bow-legged. So
she's still knock-kneed and bow-legged. She had her hand in her pockets, and she was like running. And as she's running, she skids on the floor, face first.
Laugh it up, sister.
And then she gets up and tries to hug one of us, and my sister's like, "No, I told you, I told you not to run." She all laughed.
Yeah, I felt really hard, and then they didn't console me, and then I just ran home.
They told
because it was very. We were on our block too. That's just not funny. That's not what I was thinking about. I was thinking about a funny, good memory.
No, that was funny.
Oh, funniest memory. My first Pride, right? But it's not the one you went on. This is my first Pride. I think I was like 17 or not even, that's a lie. I went to Pride like after high school. She lived with her boyfriend at the time, and I was like, I really want to go to this Pride party. Like, I want to go to this Pride party, blah, blah, blah. And she was like, okay. She lived like across the hall from me at the time. So my mom did not let me go out. And she didn't let me go across the street, let alone to parties. Do you remember?
No.
So I went to the party and we told our mom that I was next door. And then you kept calling me. I was all the way on Atlantic and you kept calling me and you're like, yeah, mommy, she's sleeping. yeah, she's watching a movie. It was like an hour later. My mom was like, where's Whitney? He's fell asleep. Which is, I don't want to wake her up yet. Mind you, I was like 30 minutes
This is
away.
why you're trying to hide from people and you can't because you don't get the self-control.
But long story short, I came home and you know, I was unscathed. I was a little drunk, but my mom didn't notice. She be alright. She be alright. But yeah, that was like the funniest memory because the whole time she was like calling me like, yo, you need to get here now. And I was like, we go down, we both go down.
No, never again.
But now I'm grown. I do what I want. There's still water in the cup though. This was fun.
Cool.
So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you feel like you got to know my sister a little bit.
A little bit.
She's gonna be on this channel a bit more. She don't even know. She don't even know, but it's about to happen. Like and subscribe if you haven't done so. Comment down below any ideas for new videos. And thank you guys for watching. Do you know how I sign out? You don't watch my videos?
I do, but I don't know how to sign out. I'm supposed to know what they're not.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching and stay beautiful and stay blessed.
Oh my God.